DevOps is not a role, it's an approach, avoiding bottlenecks and empowering developers. As technology continues to evolve, the word DevOps has become an overriding notion in the software development space. However, a common misconception needs to be clarified. DevOps is not a role. It is a holistic approach that involves culture, practices, and tools to facilitate collaboration and efficacy across the entire software development lifecycle. DevOps, beyond job titles. DevOps brings down the barriers between job titles and departments. It is a culture that says development, dev, and operations, ops, teams must work together, collaborate, cooperate, break down the silos, deliver high-quality software. The DevOps culture shift, the bottleneck problem. A critical challenge when adopting DevOps is the ill-conceived concept that a DevOps engineer is a panacea for all operational ills. This opinion can create bottlenecks, as the DevOps becomes a gatekeeper and not an enabler. In this scenario, developers wait on the DevOps person for deployments, infrastructure changes, or release approvals. This is antithetical to DevOps, empowering devs towards self-service. To avoid bottlenecks and entirely embrace the DevOps approach, organizations should strive for a self-service model where developers are empowered to act on operational tasks that were typically handled by the operations team. This involves providing the right tools. Give your teams the tools and access they need to deploy, monitor, and manage applications on their own. Implementing automated pipelines. By automate the build, test, and deployment processes, they can efficiently and consistently deliver software without the manual intervention of anyone else. Fostering a culture of learning. Encourage everyone to continuously learn and share best practices among all of their team members to build a depth of understanding on both the development and operational side of all work they do. Our projects apply DevOps. At our projects, we strive to embrace DevOps now by focusing on automation and teamwork and improving DevOps interaction. We are implementing CI/CD pipelines, which allowing our developers to deploy their code without needing the operations team. We are pushing to vastly reduce our deployment times and increase our release frequency. In conclusion, DevOps is not a role, but a culture of collaboration, efficacy, and innovation acceleration. By moving away from DevOps is a bottleneck, and enabling developers to operate, organizations can unleash the power of their teams to deliver better software faster. In adopting the DevOps culture, are not working to enhance our operational capabilities, but also working to construct an environment of continual improvement and learning and collaboration at the heart of what we do.